Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common problem that Windows users might encounter. So, the problem at hand is that after installing Windows 10 on an SSD, you come across a setting that distinguishes between device owner and administrator accounts. The big question is, what exactly is the difference between the two? Does the owner account carry similar system-level rights as the administrator account? Let's find out. In the solution provided, it is recommended to use the administrators group instead of the owner account. According to the article reference, the owner account is not currently utilized in Windows, whereas the administrators group provides default user rights such as allow log on locally, access this computer from the network, bypass traverse checking, and change the time zone. So, it seems like sticking with the administrators group is the way to go for ensuring the proper system-level rights. In summary, when faced with the dilemma of choosing between device owner and administrator accounts in Windows 10, it's best to opt for the administrators group based on the user rights it offers. This ensures that you have the necessary access and permissions to manage your system effectively. Well, that's all for today. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech questions you have. Remember, keep those Windows conundrums at bay.